Welcome to Shormila Show House. I am Topopriya and today I will be reviewing a film. The film is Bulbul, which is screened in Netflix. The film, directed by Anvita Dutt and produced by Anushka's Clean Slate Production, has taken us to the feudal lords and the crumbling Havelis of Bengal. It is a hard-hitting blow to patriarchy. It talks about the loneliness, the pain and the struggle of women behind all those big mansion doors. Like most clean slate films, Bulbul 2 has an underlying supernatural background going through. Anvita Dutt mixes this feudal plot with a supernatural and mysterious folklore, mythology along with the strength of women. Their transformation into something which is very much like a Devi is what this film is all about. And it strikes the core of patriarchy with a thoughtful, engaging and powerful manner. The film starts when we see a large groom's company come for a wedding ceremony at a large Haveli. But while they are coming to this Haveli, the little bride is climbing from one tree to other. The aunt forces the little bride to come off the trees and forces her to wear a bichua, a toe ring, that symbolizes control over the girl. But fortunately, a bichua wasn't enough to stop Bulbul from flying. The little bride meets another little boy and thinks that she will be married to him. But unfortunately, she is married to a much older gentleman, and the little boy is actually her devar or brother-in-law. Bulbul and her brother-in-law Satya are of same age and they grow up gradually together, playing and writing novels together. An unspoken bond is created in between them as they become teenagers. But unfortunately, this doesn't go unseen by the feudal lord. Tripti Dimri, who played Bulbul here, did a fantastic job portraying this bubbly teenager who transforms into a Devi, someone who's more powerful and bold at her approach. Pauli Dam played the character of Bulbul's sister-in-law. This character of hers had multiple layers. On one hand, she was notorious and she intervened at every step of Bulbul's. And she was the one who brought it to limelight, the love that was blooming between Bulbul and Satya. On the other hand, we discovered how she herself is tortured into this feudal system. She was forced to marry someone with mental disability only because she came from a lower strata of the society. She was hushed up because the person she married was a feudal lord. Elder brother and the brother with mental disability are both portrayed by Rahul Bose. And as we already know that Rahul Bose is phenomenal at whatever character he plays. So at this time as well, he did a fantastic job. Avinash Tiwari played the character of Satya. And being a newcomer in the industry, we must say, he too did a very well job. Porombrata Chattopadhyay was here a sensible doctor, an educated doctor, an enlightened doctor who understood the pain of these women. Gradually, Porombrata became the confidants of Bulbul. The later half of the film and the earlier half of the film were all shot in a red hue. Red is the color of pain. Red is the color of passion and love as well. And red is the color of strength. So, one might already understand what the film wants the audience to understand. The story, the music and the lighting, of course, in total makes such a mysterious plot that it engulfs the audience, intrigues them, invites them in and makes them desire about what will happen next. Anushka Sharma's production house Clean Slate is giving us one after the other blockbuster films and web series. The concept of Bulbul is though supernatural, but it clearly portrays how the film is against patriarchy and how it strikes hard on patriarchy, how it opens all the dark secrets of the big mansions. As Pauli said in the film itself, that the big the mansion is, the big the secrets and the mysteries are.
बड़ी हवेलियों में बड़े राज होते हैं. चुप रहना.
To me, the performance of Tripti Dimri was mind-blowing. and it was at par with Rahul Bose, Pauli Dam, and Parambrata Chattopadhyay, who all are well-known artists. First, it might look like some folklore with churel with twisted feet, but ultimately, the revealed mystery is something much more intriguing than a mere folklore. Though a powerful and supernatural film, Bulbul, it is also a romantic film. The romance between Satya and Bulbul, the romance between Dr. Sandeep and Bulbul, both are speechless, both are true, innocent and pure. But unfortunately, both are incomplete because some love stories are beautiful and better if they are incomplete. It is a very personal request from my side that please do go and watch this film if possible, because trust me, this film will open a new perspective of how you look into folklores and also the patriarchy of the society. Kudos to everybody related to this film. The makers, the cinematographer, the cast, the music director, everyone did a splendid job in this film. Keeping everything in mind, I, on behalf of Shormila Show House, give this film 4 stars.
Hey guys, this is Shormila Maiti from Shormila Show House, and please subscribe my channel, click the bell button for more updates.